signs through which you are supposed to get connected with God. You should be feeling the presence of God into you. The communication with yourself with God. So these are most relevant things. Whether you are able to do a difficult posture or not, that is quite irrelevant, I think. Whether I am able to do something or not able to do something, tomorrow whether I will be there something to do something or not, those are all irrelevant things, unnecessary things. Rather, we should do with good intention what we can do. Now, another thing, Pranajaya and Apanajaya, that I want to demonstrate today, because these have been very much integral part of my yoga practice. You know, never think something to be simple. People tell that this is simply just using your belly portion or just stomach, to and fro movement of stomach. What will be the the benefit out of this? You should never think something to be very small thing. Rather, continuous practice may give you better result, because our body is connected to God. So once you are going inside that and putting your good concentration inside your body, then you may reach God also. That is not a big thing. So small things doesn't matter. Rather, put your whole mind and do small things with better concentration. I am doing Uddiyana Bandhu fast, complete breath out, raising my stomach upwards. I held the posture for 15 to 20 seconds. Like this, you can repeat this posture for 10 times or 15 times. Slowly, your body will be light, because the flow of energy will be reversed. And the flow of pranic energy will be even and balanced. Thereby, you will feel comfortable as well as you will feel light. Second time I am doing. Now I will be doing Agnisar. Again, complete breath out, raising the energy of your stomach upwards. मूल बंध लगा रहता है, माइंड ऑन द हार्ट. Now relax. We will do Pranajaya and Apanajaya. Pranic energy that flows. There are 15 airs in our body, but primarily we are considering 5 airs. That is Prana air, Apana air, that is helpful into our excretion and all those things. Down the navel point, in between this Saman Vayu, Udan Vayu by which I am speaking, and the Vyana Vayu enter into my entire body. Now I have to control over these two pranas. Prana means air, Vayu, that is working in my body. So prana 21 times breathe in, breathe out. Slow, long and complete breathe out. Breathe out, hold. Apana jayo. Breathe in, hold. Slow, long and complete breathe out. Again hold. So this is Pranajaya and Apanajaya. Now I do Sarvangasana. After my injury, I was even unable to do small things. I was unable to raise my hand also. Anyhow, I got cured. Slowly, I am raising my leg 60 degree, 90 degree. I am raising my buttocks. Whether I come here. This Sarvangasana, you can do Padma Sarvangasana in this. To make yourself light, you can do Pankhasana and left and right Padma Sarvangasana. How many number of times you are practicing a posture is important. Slowly Halasana I am doing. Yesterday I was having a lot of pain. I was unable to do even small postures. Now I am a bit fine. I always believed that God communicates us through different creatures. Maybe it is your father, it is your mother, it is your friend, it is your brother, sister, uncle, a dog, a bird, like this. God always, because we are the son of, we are the children of God, He never wants to put off you out of sight. So He keeps His mind into your business. Now, such a posture that we say, Ekapaswa Uthita Padmasana, the kite, bird, also it follows you. When it sees that you are able to do this posture or you are enjoying with this posture, God through kite, the bird kite, can communicate you. Let's do that posture. Ekapaswa Uthita Padmasana. You keep your in Padmasana. Slowly you take your hands and keep them in this position. Now, putting your body weight on left elbow, you raise your Padmasana upwards. Om, 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 Om. Other side. Get into this position. Slowly raise your Padmasana upwards. Om, 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 Om. Like this. When you want to put your mind into an art, you should completely devote into that. Slowly you get practiced into the art. You enjoy to be inside the art. And slowly it pays you back. It doesn't take away your time. It has its own benefits. But first you must put your mind into this art. Those people who are like depression, Sushant Singh Rajput, he is a very famous person. But he could have controlled his mind and he could have saved his life. Now we do. Getting in touch or being into regular touch with a good art like yoga definitely may save your life, make you more energetic, make you more confident, may make your mind sharper, may increase your patience to stick into a particular product or particular work. So all these things, yoga pays you off. It doesn't take away your time. But we think that it is taking away our time. Like also you see, many people who are not getting into corona because of their immunity power. And yoga increases immunity power. So why not we do yoga? Now I am doing Ujjayi. Ujjayi, Kriya and Pranayam already I have told. Regularly I am doing 80 minutes at least, morning 80 minutes, and evening 50-60 minutes I am always doing. Same thing I am repeating, nothing new. Now, Ujjayi. Hold. Slow breath out. Hold again. Today, when Satya Prakash joined something, Delhi minister, health minister, he got corona. So I remembered my past thing. Some Swami Satyanarayan from Bihar School of Yoga, he gave us two things. One about heart problem, other about cancer. He told that cancer can be cured by Ujjayi and Khechri Mudra. Like you will reverse the tongue and do Ujjayi. Hold. Breathe out through left. Hold. So, एक कहावत है कि whichever shelter we are taking, that is getting destroyed. One Swami Satyanarayan was telling that we will get out of corona. Another Satya Prakash Jain, he is getting into corona. Okay, so whatever shelter we are taking, that is getting destroyed. He gave another thing that heart problem can be cured by Mahabheda. Mahabheda, you know, just stopping the downward flow of your energy. Because energy means I am not taking any physical product or physical like sperm or something. I am not telling. I am telling that the movement of the flow and movement of your soul, it should be upward. Okay. So by doing this, because primarily our slow rates at the Kundalini Shakti bolte perineum point. So by doing this, you are just making upward movement of your soul. Whichever is on the down, you should whichever leg is down, you should breathe 21 times, breathe in, breathe out 21 times that side. Breathe in, hold, breathe out through right. Hold. Left closed. Breathe in, breathe out 21 times right. Breathe in, hold, breathe out through left, both, breathe in, breathe out through both, whichever nostril not running, raise it. Breathe in, Hold. Slow, long and complete breath out. Hold. So, Swamiji Satyanarayan has told that you can get out of these two diseases like heart and cancer through the practice of these two postures. That means he means to say that you have to practice for a longer period, not for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you cannot claim that you have been doing yoga or doing practicing these things. You must be having a good good hold over the kriya. So now Satya Prakash Jain or something Delhi minister getting into corona means we are getting into trouble. Our work will be into futile. We may wish him all the best. Now Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra is getting stopped. It's very unfortunate. Sant Mahodaya, one great saint, yoga saint from Odisha, he once told in TV that let God take care of himself, because we are very powerless people. Government is running the country and individual cannot do anything. And in a time when corona is so prevalent, an individual or an organization cannot put an opinion, put a movement or force government to take actions. So it is the work of God itself. God has to cure people. God has to generate confidence into people. God has to give income to the people. And people will take care of God. Last but not the least, I may to say that Adharaniya Hot Yogi Mananiya Nikam Guruji told that Chale Bayu Chale Chita, Nischalam Nischalam Bayu, Nischalam Nischalam Chita. Chale Bayu Chale Chita, Nischalam Nischalam Bayu, Nischalam Nischalam Chita. So, Nischalam Chita means while people, be it Vipassana or Sri Ambika Yoga Kutir or Swami Ramdev Baba Patanjali Yoga, they all are concentrating on air. Air is a God. Also, Aham bolte. So means